This course on transaction monitoring and financial crime detection is designed to help learners understand how monitoring systems detect suspicious financial behavior and generate alerts within banking environments. Participants will learn how to interpret alert triggers, analyze transaction patterns, and apply investigative thinking to review suspicious activity. The program covers common financial crime typologies such as structuring, mule accounts, layering, rapid movement, and pass-through accounts. Learners will also develop skills in alert review workflows, escalation discipline, evidence evaluation, and regulator-ready documentation. By the end of the course, participants will be able to conduct structured transaction investigations and support effective financial crime monitoring frameworks in banks.